So today we are going to learn about the poem Abou Ben Adhem, written by Lee Hunt. So I will read out a stanza first and then I will tell you the meaning of it. Abou Ben Adhem, may his tribe increase, awoke one night from a dream of peace and saw within the moonlight in his room, making it rich and like a lily in blue, an angel writing in a book of gold, exceeding peace, had made Ben Adhem bold. And to the presence in the room he said, "What writest thou?" The vision raised its head, and with a look made all made of all sweet accord. So here in the first stanza, meaning in the first line, we see the name of the man who is centered around in this poem. His name is Abou Ben Adhem. May his tribe increase, meaning that may there be more people like this man in the world, because he is a very good man. So may there be more people like him. We will learn more that why there should be more people like him. We will learn that later in the poem. So he was sleeping peacefully, dream of peace. He was sleeping peacefully, and he awoke one night. And then he saw that there was light in his room, like the light that comes from the moon. So, moonlight. So, he saw that moonlight was coming in his room and enriching that light, meaning that light was already coming from the moon, but the light was glowing very bright, brighter than normal, making it rich. So here the poet has compared the light of the moon and how it was enriched with at the adjectives here, like making it rich, meaning that the light became more bright, and the light was like a lily in bloom. He saw in that light that there was an angel who was writing in a book of gold, meaning a book that is made of gold. So in the presence of the uh, angel, this man Ben Adhem, he felt bold, meaning that he felt courageous. This peace that the angel gave, meaning that he was at peace when he saw that angel nearby. So he was at peace, and this made him courageous. And he asked that presence that, "What are you writing? What writest thou?" The vision raised its head, and with a sweet face, with a sweet look on the face, answered, "The names of those who love the Lord." "And is mine one?" said Abu. "Nay, not so," replied the angel. Abu spoke more low, but cheerily still, and said, "I pray thee then, write me as the one that loves his fellow man." So the angel replied to Abu's question that, "What are you writing in your book?" So the angel said that, "I am writing the names of those people who love the Lord," meaning who love God. Then Abu asked, "And is my name among the list that you are making? That is my name in the book?" The angel replies that, "No, it is not so." Then Abu spoke more low, meaning that he became sad, but cheerily still. That is, he was still happy. He happily asked that, "Then I pray that write me as the one who loves his fellow men." That is, Abu wanted the angel to write his list among the men who loved their fellow men. That is, the people who love the people around them. The angel wrote and vanished. The next night it came again with a great awakening light, and showed the names whom love of God had blessed. And lo, Ben Adhem's name led all the rest. So the angel finished its writing and it vanished. And the next day the angel again arrived with a great awakening light, and it showed the names whom God had blessed. And then Abu saw that his name was in the first of the list, that his name was written at the very top. One of the central themes that is reflected in the poem is true devotion to God. This poem, Abou Ben Adhem, shows that true devotion to God is found in loving one's neighbor. It is only when that we love and care for our fellow men that we will be worthy to be loved by God. This poem shows that such humanistic ideals are very important in the world, and that is why there should be more people like Abou Ben Adhem in this world, because he loves his fellow men. Abu, he was a simple soul, and when he realized that his name was not in the list of people who loved God, he asked the angel that his name should be written in the list of the people who loved their fellow human beings. He was a little sad, but he was satisfied that it's okay if he did not love God, but he knew that he loved his fellow human beings. So he asked the angel to write his name in the book that contained the names of people who loved their fellow human beings. There is a twist that takes place in the next night. The angel returns with another list having the names of the people who are blessed by God. And in this list, we see that Abu's name appears at the top, ahead of everyone else. So, the message that this poem shows us that the people who love their fellow men also love God and are also blessed by God.